Mudavadi, 10 million, where is this coming from exactly? Because some people have said you're priming the country for something and it might not be 10 million, and I will discuss that in a moment. But first tell me, where exactly are these votes? Have you done some scientific survey? What are you really basing this? Because that seems to be a very specific number.
I think first of all, let's look at it this way, that the number of registered voters in this country is 19.4. That is the statistics we have from the IEBC. So it is clear that we are not trying to work outside the numbers. And then we have had a very strong following as the opposition in the coastal region. We have had a very strong following in the Western Belt, the entire Western Belt. We have very strong opposition, very strong following for the opposition in sections of the Rift Valley. And I can tell you, we also have a very strong following in the urban areas. Now, if you look at this and look at the statistics that have come out, we are clearly not creating an imagination here. We are being very realistic that our target, which is to get more than 50% plus one of the vote. So we want to get 10 million plus so that we can have a convincing and resounding victory. And I can tell you that there are areas like Kisii, which had been dubbed as battlegrounds, even through the media and even the political analysts. But we were in Kisii last time, just a couple of weeks ago, and I can tell you, I don't know what Jubilee is going to get.
Who are these 9 million that you've given up on? 9.4 million that you're saying, well, we want to get 10 million.
We have not given up on anybody. We are saying our base is 10 million.